Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Subaru BRZ 941. Okay, so it is BRZ 941 and 2013 model, which is generation 2013 and 2016. You already seen that we removed the factory radio, and at this moment we replace it with our new 7-inch full setup of the wireless Apple CarPlay, USB Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and USB Android Auto. On the screen you are seeing the wireless Android Auto running with our Android phones recording this video, and also from here you can see that the USB there, okay, that one can be used for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Second USB is staying hidden inside the glove box, nicely fit. And also we fit in our very well-known and high-level reverse camera, which is Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera here. Just have a look quickly. So the camera is right here, okay, mounted perfectly into the place, and it stays very nice at the back end. It's adjustable, and you know, the clarity of the camera is no doubt, and also in the night time it is super. So just quickly have a look here. From the Android Auto screen, it quickly changed into the reverse camera, which is super clear, super detailed. You can count in a single break far away from the back end, which is definitely something we are expecting from our camera level. So you can see very clear, okay. That's the one, and it immediately turned back into the normal system here, and immediately turn into reverse camera, and this is the bottom bumper. So yeah, that's perfect for the reverse camera. And yep, that's exactly what we are doing for this car, and super clean, not even a single mark or single scratch on the dash here, because this one is very special paint for the interior. So we do it with extreme care for the installation. So yep, that's all done, all good, and the owner already talked with us via the new system by phone, and he's so happy to collect it at the end today. So once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.